Arkansas received more than 24,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine this week. 5 News reporter Veronica Ortega spoke with the Arkansas Department of Health to learn more about this one-dose vaccine.
After weeks of waiting and difficulty getting an appointment for the COVID vaccine, the Hugh family finally got a helping hand from Medical Arts Pharmacy in Fayetteville.
Information was just not clear about whether we were actually on a list or not. And then when we finally got on one, how to make the appointment through the internet was for not internet savvy people. It was difficult to do.
The Hughes are hoping to get a specific vaccine because of its convenience.
Well, we like to have the Johnson & Johnson if it's available. Depends on what's available.
While providers can request a certain vaccine, not every facility is equipped to carry every type.
The Johnson & Johnson vaccine just requires refrigeration. So the capability of the vaccination provider is taken into consideration.
Dr. Jennifer Dillahay with the Arkansas Department of Health say it's unlikely people will find multiple types of vaccine at one location.
I would encourage people to not delay vaccination to get a particular vaccine. They're all equally effective in preventing hospitalizations and death.
Dillahay says people with certain types of allergies will want to double check with their doctor to see which vaccine is best for them to use.
And if you're allergic to one or the other of the Pfizer or Moderna, you shouldn't get the other. They're very closely related in terms of their components.
Meanwhile, the Hughes couldn't be happier to finally be getting the vaccine.
We have friends and family we'd like to go see, and they've gotten their shots in Texas and Oklahoma, and we haven't.
In Fayetteville, covering news where you live, Veronica Ortega, 5 News.
Now, Colonel Robert Ader with the state's vaccine program said in a news conference yesterday that the J&J vaccine will be used this week for people in the food manufacturing industry.